The longer term vision for Great Wrap is to replace petroleum-based plastics with a compostable alternative. Research is critical. We need to be optimising our material all the time, keeping an eye out for what could be coming down the line which may give us a better material or a competitive edge. Partnering with Monash has had immeasurable benefits for us. We've been able to access their equipment, their technology, their expertise to help us innovate and optimise our materials. We'd heard great things about Monash's Food Innovation Lab, and so we were very keen to set up a connection with Monash and work on taking food waste to bioplastics.
The overall purpose of the research partnership is to develop a process to convert food waste into biopolymers for packaging materials, and especially for the stretch and pallet wrap that Great Wrap produces. This will enable a circular carbon economy to be able to do this within Australia.
My research focus with Great Wrap is looking at food waste and turning them into compostable stretch plastics. The impact of my research has mainly been on streamlining processes, making them more effective, and really understanding the process of turning food waste into possible packaging materials.
Two of the milestones that I really appreciate from Eddie's work are selection of a particular bacteria to produce the bioplastic that we're interested in for our materials, and the other one is his help in taking a traditionally rigid bioplastic and helping us develop a quite flexible film from that material.
The potential of this kind of research on the food industry is the reduction of food waste that's going to landfill and the production of packaging and materials that are on shelves that are compostable.
As a small business, as a relatively new startup, it's been invaluable to partner with Monash because we don't currently have the budget or infrastructure to do our own research and innovation. So partnering with a research-driven university, we've been able to use their expertise and equipment to push our materials forward.